This is the Houseboat Museum in Amsterdam on the Prinsegracht canal. I forget which canal. And this is our curator. And this is our wife. The boat is 25 meters long.
That's
Is that
correct.
correct? 25 meters. And started life as a trading vessel, cargo vessel, in 1914, and was eventually converted. So this is the original living area, which is rather cramped. So we'll just walk through. And it was used as a family dwelling for quite a long time, including the 70s, and so they have decorated it in the appropriate hideous 70s decor. You can see the portholes look out along the canal. Got an old 1970s radio. That's a photograph of Princess Beatrix, former queen, in her sailboat. And now I have a living area which is surprisingly spacious, still decorated in 1970s ugly. The total area of the boat is, the living area of the boat is something like 700 or 800 square feet. So not very spacious, but not really too cramped either. So this is the guest bedroom. And this is what I suppose would be the master bedroom. And there is the head. And they've converted the back of the boat into a little slideshow. And there's a back bedroom that you can't get to with a ladder that goes up. There's the slideshow. And this apparatus is a water alarm. It's got a little sensor down at the bottom of the boat. So if water comes in, it triggers an alarm and wakes you up to tell you that your house is sinking. And that is it. It's pretty cool.